Hello friends, welcome back to infyGyan. Today we are going to take up one very interesting and challenging equation from algebra. We have to solve one degree 5 equation with the help of Chebyshev substitution. This is named after the Russian mathematician Pafnaty Chebyshev because it mirrors the structure of Chebyshev polynomials of the first kind. So let's get started with our substitution. It is x equal to y plus 1 over y. Here we have x power 5. Here we have x cube. Both values we are going to find. So x power 5 would be y plus 1 over y whole power 5. We know expansion coefficients for whole power 5. 1, 5, 10, 10, 5, 1. So we can write expansion y power 5 with coefficient 1. Next coefficient is 5. So 5 times y power 4 times 1 over y, 5y cube. Next is 10. So 10 times y cube times 1 over y square, it is 10y. Plus, next is 10, 10 over y. Next is 5, 5 over y cube. Next coefficient is 1, so 1 over y power 5. Now we will club first and last term all together. So we can write y power 5 plus 1 over y power 5. Then we have 5y cube plus 5 over y cube. 5 is common. In bracket we can write y cube plus 1 over y cube. Then we have 10y plus 10 over y. 10 is common. In bracket y plus 1 over y, which is our substitution x. So I will write 10x over here. Now x cube. It would be y plus 1 over y whole cube. Let's expand. We know expansion coefficients 1, 3, 3, 1. So we will get y cube plus 3 times y plus 3 over y plus 1 over y cube. We'll club first and last, second and second last terms. So we will write y cube plus 1 over y cube plus 3y plus 3 over y. 3 is common. Y plus 1 over y is x. So here we have 10x, here we have 3x. Now we are going to plug in both the values x power 5 and x cube over here. We will get y power 5 plus 1 over y power 5 plus 5 times y cube plus 1 over y cube plus 10x. This is x power 5 only, minus 5x cube. Let's multiply x cube by minus 5. Minus 5 y cube plus 1 over y cube. Minus 5 times 3x, minus 15x. Then we have 5x minus 1. So we will write here plus 5x minus 1 equal to 0. Now we will cancel most of the terms over here. These two terms will get over. 10x plus 5x minus 15x. So we have y power 5 plus 1 over y power 5 minus 1 equal to 0. Now we will be adding 1 to both sides. So we will get y power 5 plus 1 over y power 5 equal to 1. Now we will take LCM over here. So y power 5 whole square plus 1 over y5 equal to 1, or we can multiply y5 with 1. So we will be having y power 5 in RHS. Now y power 5 whole square minus y power 5 plus 1 equal to 0. This is one quadratic equation in y power 5. So we will use quadratic formula to get the value of y power 5, which is minus b plus minus square root b square minus 4ac over 2a minus b, minus of minus 1, 1 plus minus square root b square is minus 1 square 1 minus 4 times 1 times 1 minus 4 over 2 times 1 is 2 will be equal to 1 plus minus square root of minus 3, which is I root 3 over 2. Now we'll write y power 5 equal to 1 over 2 plus minus I times root 3 over 2, which we can write in cosine and sine. So I can write here cos pi by 3. Cos pi by 3 is half plus minus I times sine pi by 3, which is root 3 over 2. Now we will use Euler's formula, which says cos theta plus minus I sine theta. This will be equal to e raised to the power plus minus I theta. So from our equation, I can find y power 5 in exponent form e raised to the power plus minus I pi over 3. To find all 5 roots, we account for the full rotation 2k pi. So we will write y power 5 equal to e power I times in bracket plus minus pi over 3 plus 2k pi. Here k belongs to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 for 5 values. Now I will find y. So I can write here y equal to e power I. Now we will take LCM over here. So we can write 6k plus minus 1 over 3, and that power 5 would be here times pi. So it is nothing but y equal to e raised to the power I in bracket 6k plus minus 1 over 15 times pi. Now we will equate this as e power I theta. So I can write 6k plus minus 1 over 15 times pi. This is equal to theta. Now we will consider y, which is equal to, or I can say y plus 1 over y. This was our substitution x. If y is equal to e raised to the power e theta, then I can write e raised to the power I theta plus e raised to the power minus I theta equal to x, and this is nothing but 2 cos theta. So we can write x will be equal to 2 cos theta, where theta is 6k plus minus 1 over 15 times y. So I will write here x equal to 2 cos theta, which will be equal to 2 cos. Theta is 6k plus minus 1 over 15 times pi. Now we have to plug in few values of k to get all 5 roots of our equation. Let me write here x equal to 2 cosine in bracket 6k plus minus 1 over 15 times pi. Now I will put k equal to 0. To get our first root, let me write x1. By putting k equal to 0, we will get 2 cos plus minus pi over 15, which is equal to cos pi over 15. So I am writing cos pi over 15. Now I will put k equal to 1. So we will get x2 and x3. I will write here by putting k equal to 1. 2 cos with plus sign in between, it would be 6 plus 1. So value will be 7 pi over 15. And with negative sign in between, we will get 2 cos. 6 minus 1 is 5. 5 pi over 15 is pi over 3. Now I will put k equal to 2. So we are going to get x 4 and 5. Put k equal to 2. We will get 2 cos 12 plus minus 1. So we will get 12 minus 1 is 11. So we will write 11 pi over 15. 12 plus 1 is 13. So we will get 2 cos 13 pi over 15. So we have 5 solutions over here. Cos 60 is half. So this is nothing but 1. So I can write x 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 will be equal to 1. First root is 1. Then we have 2 cos pi over 15. Then we have 2 cos 7 pi over 15. Then we have 2 cos 11 pi over 15. And last solution is 2 cos 13 pi over 15. Here we have all 5 roots of the equation. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck. Take care. Bye bye.